Girnar, an ancient hill in Gujarat, is a sacred site with temples and a Jain pilgrimage. Climbing Girnar, a challenging trek with over 10,000 steps, is difficult, requiring thoughtful logistic support, from ground preparations to hillside assistance. Introducing Air Pelican by BonV, effortlessly conquering steep terrains and delivering innovations and efficiency to the rugged Girnar Hills. Featuring self-flying technology, return-to-home functionality, and versatile multi-use pods, Air Pelican ensures unparalleled accessibility and reliability. Air Pelican can complete deliveries within minutes, making it a game changer for logistics. It efficiently carries goods just an 15 meter by 15 meter vertiport, seamlessly integrated with nature, requiring minimal infrastructure and preserving the pristine beauty of Girnar Hills. Ensuring reliable deliveries for locals and pilgrims while also collecting waste for a cleaner environment. Enabling easier porter work, efficient transport, cleaner surroundings, and smart waste management, boosting tourism while preserving the environment. AI-powered navigation ensures safe, precise flights seamlessly integrated into the logistic ecosystem. Girnar, where innovation and tradition thrive together, building a future that balances progress with preservation of heritage. Let's change the world one flight at a time.